Welcome to the club, and today we'll be doing another video with my friend. He's so cute. He's got nothing there. So today we'll be opening World of Warriors. So you can see 6, and there's 2 hidden ones. And before we get into this, like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. See another video, click the video. And do you like my hat? Very fancy. So let's open it. Oh, well, all right. First sticker. Okay, him first. Second one. They're in these little containers. I really like that. This is a girl. One. Cool. I like the colour on that.
Lovely.
Oh. These are 3 visible ones.
Like clear, you mean? Transparent?
I don't know. So, get all of them. First I got this blue transparent one. This yellow transparent one. And this green transparent one. Okay.
Let's have a little close up. Do you have a checklist there, Maddie?
On the back, yeah.
I like the blue one. Reminds me of a slushy.
The blue one, the clear ones aren't really on here, but the girl's name is...
Let's have a look at the checklist. Is there one in the box, do you think?
I don't know. Well,
That's who they all are. We can have a look and see if we've got any special ones later, can't we?
don't want to go him off. Okay, now I'm opening the 2 mystery ones. Ooh, we got another transparent one. Another yellow transparent one.
Cool.
Cool. Oh, there's a checklist here. And this one. So.
Cool. Do you want to see if any of them are common or any rare ones?
What's this? Well, this is just a .com thing. Okay.
So while you're having a look at the list, I'll just zoom in on these and you can tell me which ones you've got.
I'll tell you. Because you can get transparent ones on the normal figures.
Oh.
So I got...
Start with the
4.
yellow ones, maybe.
My yellow ones, okay.
These 2.
This one.
Yeah. This one here.
That one was that one.
Which is...
It is 1039.
Forio or something.
Folio. Don't know. Sorry. Now I got this girl.
Boudica. Are they all common?
I don't know. No.
Should we just check on the list and then
if
anybody wants to look, they can, can't they? Let's just go this way. Focus. Why doesn't it ever want to focus? Oh, there we go. There we go. That's all of them.
Okay.
So, you got some good ones. Which one's your favourite?
Oh, there's 2 of my favourites. The girl.
Yeah.
And this one.
Okay. Everybody at home, comment which is your favourite.
So we got this one. Which one's your favourite, Mummy?
I like the blue one.
This one?
Yeah. Reminds me of a slush puppy.
This one. This one. I thought that was hay in there first. This one. This one. This one. Or this one.
Awesome.
Okay. And this is his little house. So, thanks for watching. Love ya.
Like.
Subscribe. and turn the notification bell.
Please subscribe.
Bye.